I'm Curtis Ozzie, the Director of Marketing for Clemco Industries, and we are a manufacturer of abrasive blasting equipment. And we're working on a new product development right now. We're building a machine that operates at a much higher pressure than anything we've ever made before. And so we needed to rent some portable air compressors to do some testing with the new equipment that we're trying to develop.
I'm Aaron Wimmer. I'm the product manager for Clemco. Part of this new product development, we needed a compressor to come in to deliver 175 PSI, which is one of our big features on the product. It's capable of going up to 175, which is a higher pressure than most blast machines on the market.
We've rented a lot of mobile compressors before. This is the first time we've ever really looked at a Kaeser. And whenever we got it out here on site, we were really pleasantly surprised with what we ended up with. The new equipment that we're designing, it's going to operate at 175 PSI, and not all compressors can create compressed air at that pressure. But even more important than that is we need to create a high volume of air at that pressure. For abrasive blasting, it really consumes a lot of air, and so it's not just enough to be able to create a high pressure, it's also creating a constant flow at a high volume of air. And this compressor is capable of delivering up to 600 CFM, which is perfect for this application where we're going to be feeding a large blast machine that's going to use a lot of air.
It's really easy to start these compressors up. It's very intuitive. There's even directions right there on the control panel. And as far as adjusting your pressure down, when you get out in the field, these blast machines are capable of 150, 175 PSI. You need to be able to adjust to that. So allowing that to happen on the control panel really changes the game, and not having a manual knob to turn out on the field or having to go in and change a set screw setting.
Yeah, so with this air compressor, it has two large gull wing doors on each side of the compressor. So if you need to access any of the serviceable components, or if you need to add diesel exhaust fluid or add fuel, it's all really easy to get to. It also makes it so that you can see all of the components that you might need to access later on down the road when you need to service it.
When you fire these up, there's no noise. It's very quiet out there. You hardly even notice that they're running. So I think that's an important feature of not having that background noise contributing to the decibel levels of the job site. Trailering the machine, it's easy to back up to it. The trailer jack is a really cool design where the wheel actually comes up with the jack, so you don't have to worry about flipping the jack and or taking it off and spinning it. It's all right there on the machine. The Kaeser compressor has been great. It's been really simple to operate and delivers that pressure and the CFM that we need to run our blast machine.